Across all industries, technology is driving the pace of change faster than ever.
Future products will bring an order of magnitude change in complexity and put new manufacturing challenges on our customers. The MKS vision is bold, to enable technologies that transform our world. We offer a full range of systems and solutions from our core competencies in areas such as vacuum, power solutions, gas delivery, plasma generation, ozone solutions, temperature sensing, lasers, photonics, precision optics, motion, PCB laser processing, specialty chemicals, and plating equipment for surface modification. We draw on our team of more than 2,000 scientists and engineers to understand our customers' strategic objectives.
Whether it's battling disease or climate change, making our world a safer place, or improving the way we communicate, technology is the key to our future. MKS is committed to pushing the boundaries of possibility.